Visiting our granny, part 4, final part. Hello, I love you. That's why you and your siblings don't bring a gift. Yeah. Now, Granny, I have more to show you. Oh my God, show it to us. A boba, cupcake, sandy donut. Why? And a picture of me making a silly face. OMG, it's literally fire like a sleigh. Thanks, Nana. And I'm going to put that into my room where I put my favorite, where I put the gifts that I get. Alright, only from you, Scarlett. Thank you, Nana. Oh my God, a cup! I really needed that. Same, I really love that. Come on, let's put it there. And finally, flowers for both of you. OMG, literally, you slay, girl. Thank you. Thanks, Auntie Pink, for saying that Gen Z words. And thank you, Nana, for loving me. And anyways, we have to show you your room. Wait, I have a separate room? Usually I get the basement. What? Yeah. Sorry. We will sleep, I guess. Okay, now come on. Put your bags. Alright, I'm gonna sleep. Same. Get up, you lazy heads! We have to see your sister's room. Alright. Alright. Oops, it's dark here. Now, show us your room. Can you show me at my room? Wait, where is my bag? You lazy siblings, the oldest child, Lily. Why can't you just look after her bag, bro? Finally, I found it. Don't you dare prank like that, Lily. Why does it always have to be me? I did nothing wrong. Come on, we have to see Scarlett, my favorite granddaughter's room. Just kidding. I love all of you equally, but since you didn't bring anything, that's what you get. Now, come on, in the room, everybody, come on, just come on. Oh my gosh, hamna. Oh my God. She's probably gonna say that she hates it because she only loves aesthetic stuff, not like rainbow or pink stuff. Yeah, she does this face. Yeah, if she doesn't love it. What? Sorry, we didn't know you loved aesthetic. I love it! It's super pink. I have my own gaming room. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, you're literally the best, Nana and Auntie Pink. Aw, thank you, dear. And I also got you some matching clothes. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love your Nana. And thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the video.